Hey, it's your boy Joey. We're gonna work on my truck today because it's so nice. 70 degrees, which is about 20 Celsius. Not sunny like I would have hoped, but you know. We're gonna work on the truck, but we're doing yard work instead because Uncle Roger has not trimmed anything in I don't know how long. Like this holly's just gone wild. It's only supposed to be away from the house like a foot, which is like about here, and all these bushes. We're using the electric chainsaw right now, so the holly's gonna wait. Most of it is till I use the clompers. But like this, I don't know what it is. I can't think of it. We're gonna just hack everything down to the base. But yeah, some little updates for you. There's one pile. Still got to do this. That one, wherever that is, that one, and a couple over here. And we got to finish the front yard, but the chain just fell off. So I'm gonna drag all this pile of stuff, but it's looking better. Nub and a nub there, and you can see some of the ferns that used to grow, so hopefully these will come back. Hard to tell with how brown everything is. And these bushes here, this one, so these I'll actually be able to shake properly, which will be nice. I'm gonna see if the neighbor can bring his tractor over and dig this out of the ground. And maybe that one there too. I'm not sure what that clump is. This I'll trim up and make look nicer. This ugly tree I'm just gonna chop down to the ground, see what happens. That bush we're gonna trim up nicely and chop off the side there, and these I'm probably gonna chop to the ground again like the other side, and I'll probably do the same with that one. We'll shape this one up all nice. We'll chop that one to the ground. We're gonna chop that one to the ground. We'll probably chop the tops of these off so they're about 3 feet tall and shape them, make them look nicer. And then we mostly just got by the stairs there and what used to be a garden, and cutting off a few limbs off those trees so we can use the driveway better. But because the chain fell off, we got to get those bushes too. And I don't know how to put it back on, and I don't feel like messing with it because Dad's coming over anyways and he knows how to do it. I'm going to start dragging these limbs into the middle of the backyard to figure out another day. Alright, that's where I say peace out. I dragged most of the stuff into that pile. There's a little bit of stuff here. And like this stuff here is super prickery. I think they're rose bushes, or used to be. Used to be? What kind of word is that? It'd still be rose bushes. But the cool thing, you're actually going to be able to see some of the flowers again, because there's not all this crap growing here. So that's got me really excited. I think I'm gonna have to find some nice leather gloves for these prickery things. Dad's gonna have to fix the saw because I don't want to mess with it, like I said. But again, because my lungs are crap, and it's still not the warmest, they're doing much better. I thought I had a follow-up visit this week. It turns out it's in 2.5 weeks, I think, if I remember right. I was looking at the wrong calendar. Oops. But anyways, I also want to get Dad's lawnmower over here. And we got to see if the neighbor has a bucket attachment. I think I was talking about that. But yeah, it feels nice to be out here doing yard work again. It's one of my favorite things to do. Wish I could breathe better and had more energy. But I'm gonna go inside, I'm gonna eat some stuff. Might get on the computer, see if we can have a bonfire. Or we're gonna talk to Dad and Roger about renting a wood chipper, because we could put wood chips all along there, the fence. I'd say I'd paint the fence, but that's not gonna happen. We all know I could barely paint my truck. And it's kind of funny when I look at it from the bedroom, which is above the garage. You can see I didn't paint the roof. That's how much I hate painting. But yeah, I'm excited. Roger's doing pretty good. 70 degrees today, or close to. Supposed to get that much. It's gonna stay in the upper 40s and 50s this week, which is awesome. I am looking for a used GoPro. Yeah, because that'll be easier, it's smaller, lighter. I can just swap the battery in when the battery dies. For filming the big truck project and just things like this, it'll be easier than having my phone. The phone is awkward to film with, I don't like it. It was good for a while, but you know, things change. I am gonna have to see if I can fly the drone here because I want to do some practicing. I know I can't go very high because the airport's kind of close. But yeah, my arm's getting tired because I haven't been filming for so long. We're gonna say peace out. Baja Blast, sign of summer. Not really this year because it's 20th anniversary, but yeah. Peace out. Do something.